Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make formulas in Google Sheets. Formulas are essential for automating calculations and analyzing data efficiently, so let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the sheets you need to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google Sheets files are organized and accessible. Look through your available sheets and click on the one where you want to create your formulas. This will open the sheet in a new window, ready for editing. Now that your sheet is open, the next step is to click on the specific cell where you want your formula to appear. This is important because the cell you select will display the result of whatever calculation you're about to create. Choose wisely based on where you need your data to show up. Here's where the magic happens. Every formula in Google Sheets must start with an equals sign. This tells the program that you're about to enter a calculation rather than plain text. So go ahead and type equals into your selected cell. Without this symbol, Google Sheets won't recognize your input as a formula. Let's use a common example to illustrate this. We'll create a sum formula which adds up a range of numbers. After typing equals, type the word sum. This is the function name that tells Google Sheets you want to add values together. Next, add an opening parenthesis. This marks the beginning of the range you're about to select. Now comes the part where you define which cells to include in your calculation. Click on the first cell you want to include in your sum. To select multiple cells in a range, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click on the last cell you want to include. Google Sheets will automatically highlight all the cells in between, showing you exactly what's being included in your formula. Once you've selected your range, close the formula by typing a closing parenthesis. This completes the structure of your formula. Finally, press Enter on your keyboard to execute the formula. The cell will now display the sum of all the values you selected, and the formula itself will remain stored in that cell for future reference or editing. And that's it. You've successfully created a formula in Google Sheets. This same process applies to countless other functions, from averages to complex conditional statements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.